Hello everybody, welcome to the I Am IT Geek YouTube channel. My name is Shabazz, and as ever, I am the IT Geek. Welcome back to another episode within the AZ140 exam guide series. We are on, I think we're on topic 11 at the moment. So I said we've got 15 topics altogether to get through, so we are coming, I said, towards the latter part of the series, about between 30 to 40 episodes altogether. We're currently on 25. So again, thank you everybody for all the support you're giving me. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow my channel, and I have a lot of. This seems to be a very popular series so far. So I do appreciate people watching, but please do subscribe. It means a lot when you do support. Drop me comments again if you have any feedback. I'm always open to feedback, productive obviously. So yeah, let's crack on with this episode. So my socials as normal. If you can't make a note of them, don't worry. Everything is in the description. My name is Shabazz, as I mentioned, and I am the I Am IT Geek. I'm also I'm actually an infrastructure master, and my main sort of focus areas are Microsoft Cloud, Azure Infrastructure as a Service, AVD obviously, and sort of Microsoft Security. So I am Defender and Purview. I'm also a Microsoft MVP in two categories, Azure and Enterprise Mobility. I'm also a Nerdio MVP, and we've done some Nerdio labs already. We're going to do some more coming up, mix it up a bit in the series. And also published author, so I've actually done a book on the AZ140, and again, the link is in the description, so feel free to buy that to help with your preparation, really. And this is the Configuring and Operating Microsoft Azure Virtual Desktop series. That's what we're kind of basing all our episodes on. So this is part 2 of topic 11, Configuring User Experience Settings. And today we've not got a demo, trying to alternate the demos, but we are going to talk about configuring user settings through Intune policies. We're going to configure session timeout properties, and we're going to configure device redirections as well. So let's talk about configuring user settings through Intune policies. So Intune integrates with AVD to manage and operate deployments efficiently and establish a secure sort of remote work solution. You can now enroll AVD VMs that are Microsoft Entra hybrid joined, or joined, which is joined to your on-premises and your Microsoft Entra, or is registered with your Microsoft Entra at least. And you can enroll these within Intune and manage them in sort of your Intune Admin Center the same way you would physical devices. You can also do that through Nerdio, and we are going to be looking at that in a demo coming up soon, in a later episode. Intune simplifies that management, and it provides a centralized view across so both your physical devices and virtual desktops, and it opens up new areas of collaboration. The Intune integration is generally available for Windows 10 Enterprise desktops. Windows 10 Enterprise Multi-Session supports policies to device-specific apps. And again, we are going to be doing another demo of Intune with AVD as well. Not in this episode, it might even be the next episode. Let's talk about configuring session timeout properties. So again, this is done through group policy. So users sign out when they're inactive normally, and this preserves your resources. So it's always best practice to do that. It also presents access to any sort of unauthorized users. And you've got multiple timeout options within group policy. So you've got the set time limit for disconnected sessions. So disconnected sessions will automatically log off after a certain time. You can set a time limit for active but idle remote desktop sessions. So again, if your session's not disconnected but you're just not using it, that can also log you off. You can set a time limit for active remote desktop services sessions as well. You can also end the session when the limits are reached. So some good variety of options there within group policy to manage session timeouts. Let's talk about configuring device redirection. So we had a look at this when we looked at the RDP properties for AVD, if you remember in a previous demo. So configuring device redirection for AVD environment allows you to sort of use use printers, USB devices, microphones, and sort of other sort of peripheral devices in the remote session. Some device redirections require changes to both your RDP properties and group policy settings. And here we can see a few of those settings. So this includes sort of set up device redirection, so you can use RDP properties and group policies for audio input, audio outputs. Audio inputs obviously your mic redirection, audio outputs your speaker redirection. Then you've got camera redirection as well, clipboard redirection, COM port redirection, USB redirection, plug in and play sort of device redirection, local drive redirection, and printer redirection. So we looked at all these in that demo, one of the previous episodes. We looked at it through the portal, but these are also available through group policy, as you can see in the image. Oh, Sorry, I think that is actually the end of the episode. Yeah, that's actually the end of the episode. So again, a very short episode because we've not really got a demo, but we are going to have a demo in the next episode. So again, a very important topic is making sure you get your device redirection correct and getting your sort of settings, your RDP property settings right as well. Because especially in secure environments where you might not want, for example, USB devices redirecting, or it's important that you have your audio and your sort of microphone, these sort of settings. For also USB printers and stuff like that, very very important to get these settings right. So again, a nice short episode there. Hopefully you've gained, again, a very important topic for this exam, so make sure you do have a play with those redirection settings that we looked at in a previous lab. Please do subscribe. I do appreciate everyone's support. I'm trying to grow my channel. At one point, I would like to get to 10k. I don't know when. I'm over halfway. I'm about 6,000 at the moment, touching between 6 and 7,000, hopefully. So thank you very much for everyone who does support. But if you're not, if you're not subscribed, why not? Please do get subscribed. I've got loads of useful links in the description. So one of the links is obviously to my book that I wrote, again, on AZ140. So again, if you want to use that and buy that for your help, to help you prep, please do. Also for Measure Up. So Measure Up AZ140 practice exam. So again, link is in the description. Again, it's a discounted exam. It's a practice exam. They're the official sort of partner for Microsoft. And again, practicing exam questions is very important as well. And again, I use Measure Up, always a good set of questions with them. So thank you very much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.